Dialogue writing. What is a dialogue? The words, sentences, or phrases we use while talking are called dialogues. Dialogue is a conversation between two or more speakers. As the word suggests, di meaning two and log meaning a specified kind of speaking or writing. We come across several people daily in our school, market, workplace, etc. Conversation takes place every minute. At home also there is conversation between siblings, between mom and child, between dad and child, with guests who come home, etc. What is dialogue writing? Dialogue writing is a written composition in which two or more characters are represented as conversing. Dialogue writing provides proficiency to enhance the communicative skills. It usually is an interpersonal communication within the members of the society. We use dialogues for animals, birds, robots, etc., imagining them to speak. In dialogue writing, we use direct speech and use the words of the speaker as spoken. In the story, you would have noted that some words were given in quotation. Do you know why it was so? Yes, because they were the dialogues delivered by the characters themselves. For example, I will call my neighbor and ask them to start harvest work in my field from tomorrow. This dialogue was spoken by the farmer and he speaks aloud to himself. Now look at the conversation between the sparrow and the little ones. Little ones, mother, now we shall leave tonight. Tomorrow the relatives will come to harvest. Mother, we don't have to leave yet. Don't worry and relax. The above sentences are dialogue between mother and little ones. Now let's imagine a detailed conversation between the mother and the little ones that day. Mother Sparrow, good evening dear ones. How did you spend the day? Little ones, good evening mom. It was not a good day. Mother Sparrow, why, what happened? Little ones, mom, today also the farmer came. Mother Sparrow, oh, what did he say? Little ones, he said that he will send his relatives tomorrow. I am so scared. Mother Sparrow, why are you scared? I am there. Little ones, yes mom, but we should fly away tonight. I am sure farmers' relatives will come to harvest tomorrow. Mother Sparrow, we don't have to leave yet. Don't worry and relax. Little ones, okay mom. Follow these instructions for dialogue writing. Use appropriate tense. Use language and style according to the context and relation of the speaker. Use simple and lucid language, keeping in mind the flow of the conversation. Use direct speech. Include questions and exclamations. Write an introduction in brackets. Who is speaking to whom, on what occasion. Write at least 5 dialogues per person on the given topic. The names of the characters should come on the right side of the margin. Use the names given in the question. All the colons should be one below the other. Add narrations to make the dialogue realistic and interesting. Opening line should be a greeting or a wish. Closing line should formally end the dialogue. Hope students you have understood. Happy learning.